I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a medium animal trap. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always wear ANSI-approved safety goggles and heavy-duty leather work gloves. It is crucial to ensure the trap is placed where it is inaccessible to both pets and children. Always read the entire owner's manual and safety information before you start, as improper setup can create hazards. This ensures a safe and effective trapping experience for everyone involved. Let's get your trap ready. The Harbor Freight medium animal trap comes assembled but collapsed flat for easy transport and storage. To open it, simply lift up the handle, and the trap will unfold into a long box shape. Next, swing down the cage support brace to frame the cage walls, hooking it securely with the attached clips. Finally, close the quick-release rear door and clamp it firmly in place using the squeeze clamp. Now let's set the trigger. To open the trap door, first pull up on the upper latch. Then, press in on the outer spring plate while pressing down the lever that holds it to the door. Pull the door up and hook the trigger hook onto one of the bars on the front door. This keeps it open. For best results, place your bait, such as 1/2 cup of cat food, between the trigger pan and the back door, ensuring it is far enough from the trap walls. Proper placement and monitoring are key. Position the trap on a level surface, ideally against a wall or in a game trail, away from direct sunlight or harsh weather. If the ground permits, press an anchor stake into the ground to prevent the trap from rolling, which could injure an animal. It is vital to check the trap frequently, at least once every 24 hours, to ensure humane treatment of any captured animals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.